I'm not gonna lie, this is scary. You guys are nuts. Uh-oh. I just got hit.
I was definitely a hit.
Oh, he's going fast.
Welcome to the Chew on This Saltwater Fishing Show. Fishing television with intensity. Yeah!
Hey guys, remember summer of 2016 when UltraSkiff got to film the greatest fishing challenge of all time with the Chew on This Saltwater Fishing Show with Captain Ben Chansey and Captain John Black? Both of them guys were dueling each other, catching giant Goliath groupers and huge man-eating bull sharks. That was an insane day. But I remember at one point during that filming that I made a funny comment, and Captain Ben looks at me and says, "Don't laugh, Jeff. You're gonna do this too." I took him seriously, but not that seriously. I was sort of apprehensive about getting in the skiff and not being on top of the food chain anymore at that point. But at the end of the day, sure enough, Captain Ben says, "All right, you're up." He hands me this giant big old rod with the drag locked down, I mean tight. And I'm not gonna lie, I was scared. I was freaking out a little bit. In fact, at the beginning of this video, you can hear Captain Ben say, he's trying to calm me down, trying to get me hyped up for this, and he says, "Look at it this way. This is an opportunity for you to catch the biggest fish of your entire life." And he was right. This is the biggest fish I've ever caught in my entire life. It was an insane battle. Pretty short because I was under the impression that I was fighting a Goliath grouper, so I just kept a ton of pressure on him, kept a really firm bend in the rod, and I held the rod a little differently. I put it under one leg and kind of sat on it, and it worked out really well. I was exhausted afterwards. I was sore for a couple days, and it was just crazy. So I haven't released this yet. I'm going to release it now. Check it out.
It's a chance for you to catch the largest fish of your life.
That's true. Good point.
It's a chance for you to believe in your product.
I'm not gonna lie, this is scary.
You're not scared.
You guys are nuts. Uh-oh. I just got hit.
I was definitely a hit.
There he is.
You're left. More line.
Nope, there's him. Oh.
More line.
Huh?
Give it more line.
There he is.
Oh, he's going fast.
Oh, man. Big fish. This has got to be a huge one. Oh, God. Oh yeah. Oh, my arm's numb. Yeah, come on. Get up here. You son of a.
Good job. There he is. I see him.
Woo! Look at that. Look at the size of that thing. My camera just died. Come on, big boy. Come on.
Here, lift.
Come on.
There you go.
Oh my God. I gotta get my picture next to it.
Jump in there.
Oh my God. That is a man eater. UltraSkiff, baby. So Ben, what do you estimate the weight of that thing is?
350, 400 too.
350, 400?
Yep.
Take it. What am I doing with this?
Going to his mouth and cut.
You want to hold on to the rod then?
Nope, no, it's got the thing.
Dude.
You got to cut.
See you, buddy.
There you
Take it
go.
off.
Bye-bye.
Gosh.
Yeah!
I'm ready for a Goliath. Hey, you ready?
I'm ready to keep filming.
You don't want to do this, huh?
Zach has done this enough.
All right.
Maybe not these big, but
All right, what should I do here? Oh, yeah, I'm going to have to.
I've caught my share of it.
Actually, I'd rather get out of the boat. It'd be, yeah.